What is this? What is this beauty? This is a 560 SEL W126 in this royal white. The actual color is called Arctic White by Mercedes. We was commissioned to restore this car. This car was originally black, you know, the black blue. Then somebody painted this car in a gold color. We was given this car to restore it with a certain criteria in this Arctic White. So this is the outcome. Car has just been delivered. This is gorgeous. MashaAllah. Look at this. Driving this car, sitting inside it, will take you many, many years back and bring up many, many lovely old memories. My goodness, Jesus, does that look beautiful. We just wanted to share with you this special moment to see this vehicle for the first time when it arrived. Look at that. This wooden finish was redone by a specialist. In fact, this complete car has been done by a specialist. Look at these seats. Beautiful. What a combination. What a combination. These velvet seats, mashallah. What a special moment for us. I really look forward to hand over this car to the customer. Look at this, mashallah. I cannot stop saying mashallah. This is how beautiful she is. I will add the video, a picture of the car now. You can see. That's how the car was before. And this is how she is. So if you are looking to restore an old Mercedes, an old Porsche, you need advice, you need help, you need assistance, anything, get in touch. We will help you make your dream come true. This is a dream. Happy days.